The following you're about to see is not real. It is cloudy outside, but we're just going to pretend it's a tornado warning.
Anyways, this is after the Transformers Go to Woohoo Island part. Enjoy.
What is this to eat? Hey, wait a minute, where is those Transformers there? Wait a minute, I heard they were leaving. I believe they're still outside. Well, I'm gonna go check. What are they doing out here? Oh, hi Transformers, what are you doing? We're waiting for someone to, like, take us to Woohoo Island. Woohoo Island, what is that? You know the game Wii Sports, Woody? Yeah, and wait a minute, you're going there? Yeah, we're going there for our vacation. So we thought you, like, take care of the house while we're gone. Wait a minute, where's Yoshi too? Yoshi is coming with us. We're all going, well, except you, but anyways, just because we got, we were caught on that, we heard our names on the news saying that, we, anyways, we just got, we were picked and we just picked, to go to Woohoo Island as our vacation. Oh, that's nice. So, wait a minute, everyone's going to accept me? Yep, you didn't even, like, put your ticket in the drawing. Oh, well, that's okay. Well, I can take care of myself and I'll look after the house. Okay, Rudy, but remember, don't open the door to anybody. Except if it's, the people you know, okay? Okay, I'll take care of this house. Okay, we'll be leaving. Okay. Oh look, someone's outside and we gotta go. See ya. Oh, bye. We gotta go. We're leaving, so... Anyways, let's hit the road. The weather looks really weird outside, but... What the heck? Am I hearing some beeping? Oh no, I think that's the... I need to go turn on the news.
We interrupt your program to deliver you a tornado warning has been issued in your area.
Anyways, the following counties include Awesome Toy Plush Land,
So, if you're under that warning, take shelter now. And I believe I hear the sirens going off.
Okay, so I just saw the news and I heard that signs are going up, but I don't hear any in my area. So if we hear the sirens going off, then we know we're under a tornado warning. But I don't see any, like, dark clouds or anything, but something like this. But anyway, yes, that's the sirens going off, but we gotta get to shelter. Where's my baby at now? Where is she? I think she's in the... Wait a minute, we gotta go in the garage. Yeah, that's our shelter. We gotta